If you have multiple Amazon accounts and now you are wondering how to log into other Amazon account or how to switch Amazon accounts, this 5-minute solution will show you how to log into other Amazon account on the Amazon app or how to switch accounts on Amazon app. Open your Amazon app, tap on this menu icon at the bottom right. Tap on Settings. Here, tap on Switch Accounts. Tap on Add Account. And here, enter your another account login credential. Tap on Continue. Enter here the account password and tap on Sign In. And that's how you will be able to switch accounts on Amazon app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.